In today's video, you'll learn how to manage your saved passwords in Microsoft Edge so you can stay organized and keep your accounts secure. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. From there, select Settings. This is where you control everything related to your browser. Now, look to the left side and click on Profiles. Inside this section, you'll find an option called Passwords. Go ahead and open it. Here, you'll see a full list of all the websites where your login details have been saved. Take a moment to scroll through. This gives you a clear overview of what Edge is storing for you. If you want to check a specific password, click on that website entry. You'll see the username and the password will be hidden for security. To reveal it, click the eye icon. You may be asked to enter your device password or PIN. This is just to make sure only you can access that information. Need to update your login details? No problem. Click the Edit option, make your changes, and save them. This is useful if you've recently changed a password and want everything to stay up to date. And if there are saved passwords you no longer need, you can simply delete them. This helps keep your list clean and reduces clutter. Managing your saved passwords regularly is a smart habit. It not only keeps things organized, but also adds an extra layer of security to your online activity. And that's how you manage saved passwords in Microsoft Edge. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.